Hey, how you doing? This is JJ with Deluxe Vehicle Detailing and Paint Correction. I am going to do just a before and after on this 2012 Subaru Forester that is in today for a very thorough interior cleaning, including a headliner, which is a headliner that it's got more dirt on it than most that I see. So anyway, I'm just going to give you a quick overview. This owner of the car has a son that she's trying to teach that we're not going to be doing so much eating in the car, things like that. They actually went ahead and vacuumed it out for me before bringing it in, which was great. I saw it a few weeks ago, and it definitely needed a good vacuuming. She had seat covers on the back, and she actually intends on putting seat covers to keep things clean on the whole vehicle. We do have a lot of dirt buildup. I will be using several techniques with the steamer, the extractor, and a few others. I'm going to go topside here and just give you an idea of the markings. I'm going to bring you around to the driver's side here. And just general, looks like bike tire marks to me. Just general dirt that has built up with things that have touched the ceiling, much of which were probably her son, who's reached about 8, and he likes to put stickers on glass. They actually removed the stickers on the other window. She used rubbing alcohol, and don't know if she compromised the tint or not. This seat, pretty serious stain considering there was seat covers on it. And again, the door panels, try and address some of these staining on the seats. This car needs some love, and that is exactly what I am going to do with it today. So that is just the before. I just wanted to give you an idea of, typical dirty car, what it looks like. These type of material on these seats can be a little tricky. So anyway, I'm going to get to work, and I will see you on the backside a few hours from now, and we'll go from there. Thank you very much.